Hello, welcome back to the Off-Grid family. Today I'm going to be reviewing this, the TOZO PE1 speaker. They sent this to me free of charge, but like with all my other videos, this will be unbiased. If I don't like it, you will be the first to know. But I'm quite excited by this because they sent me out some earbuds and they became my new, like, everyday wear kind of thing. They're brilliant because I can wear them when I'm doing like things with power tools and stuff, because it blocks so much of the sound that they work like earbuds. I like ear protectors, sorry. But anyway, this has got a lot of good features and so on, so we'll open it and have a look. Before I get on, I'd just like to thank my Patreons. You guys are absolutely awesome. Thank you, Darren, specifically. You're amazing. I appreciate everything you've done for the channel. Anyway, let's get on. Okay, so let's have a look at a few of the specs for this little thing. It packs quite a punch. It's ultra light and portable at 178 grams. It's got some pretty wicked sound, 10 watt dynamic driver. It's 5.4 Bluetooth. It's got loads of different things that come with the app, graphic equalizers, etc. It's got a 32-hour battery life. And one thing I really like is you can pair it with multiple other different TOZO speakers. So you can basically make a really good surround sound experience. Another thing I really like about this speaker is IPX8, meaning it could be put underwater for half an hour up to like a meter and it won't have any damage at all. So it's the sort of thing you can have in your backpack, well, outside your backpack, listening to music or audiobooks while you go for a hike. And, you know, it doesn't matter what kind of weather it is, you're pretty safe and it will be absolutely fine. Let's have a deeper look into it and let's unbox this thing. Okay, so TOZO, a company that have reached out in the past and offered me free stuff, offered me their new portable wireless speaker. And I love the headphones they've given me, well, they're earbuds. And I use them all the time. They've taken over all of my bone conductive stuff. They're not bone conductive, but I used to use all my bone conductive ones for when I was using like power tools, and I could have things in blocking my ears to, you know, so I wouldn't damage my hearing. But the actual TOZO earbuds are good enough at blocking sound out, and the quality of the sound is so good that I actually use them instead. So this would be really good. If this is going to be as good quality, then I'll be, you know, using this instead of my other speakers. Okay, so this is their PE1 portable wireless sports speaker. Let's have a look. 43.5 full range speaker, hands-free Bluetooth calling, compatible with TOZO app, dual device connection, clear calls with noise reduction, and enhanced sound in duo mode. So let's open it and have a look. Like with all products like this, I will do a long-term review, and so I'll do the rest of this after, you know, a week or a month or whatever, however long it takes me to do a proper review of it. So although you'll get to see it straight away, that will not be the, you know, the time of events. I know what I'm trying to say. Okay. So the last user manual I had with their stuff was really well written. It wasn't just a copy-paste Chinese sort of Google sort of, you know, Chinese translate kind of thing. And to be honest, yep, this one is the same. Very well written, and it's obviously been written by someone who knows English, basically. They always feel so nice. The headphone, the earbud container, the holder was really nice. I don't think I'm speaking in English today. So this is how you clip it onto your stuff. That's fairly strong, actually. There's no way that's coming off by mistake. Okay. It is Type-C charging, but every company just lets you down. That just annoys me. Anyway, it will be good enough. What we'll do, like with everything I do, review-wise, I will fully charge it, and then I will do a proper review. While that's charging, I'm just going to go through the instructions and have a look. It's got a battery capacity of 1000 milliamp hours, 3.7 volts, 5 volt input, 600 milliamps, frequency range 70 hertz to 20 kilohertz. And it will work from -10 to 45 degrees C. Anything else? Okay, it's fairly easy to connect from the look of things as well. Okay, so this little thing here packs one hell of a punch, right? Turn it on. And I'm going to that's connected. Oh, and it's super easy to connect, like with most of these things nowadays. But I'm going to just connect to one of my videos. Today I'm hopefully going to fix my mixer. I love making cakes and I love cooking when I'm able to. I'm not going to go into reasons why I won't be able. And the sound quality is insanely good. Right. I don't need to show you any more than that. It's a really good speaker. Also, I've done a few phone calls with this, and a lot of times with speakers like this specifically, like just a single speaker, when you're talking to someone over the phone, like, so I put this in the shower, and so I hang this from the shower rail. Works perfectly from the shower curtain hook, by the way. Yeah, but I'll be in the shower and I can literally answer it from the side, and you've got all access to all the different bits and bobs on the side. Come on then, Mr. Focus. Yeah, apparently you can't because it won't focus. Oh, that'll do. But yeah, you can answer it and everything from there, and it's all in the instructions. But normally with something like this, you talk and either you sound like you're underwater, you're a million miles away, or there's like a lag between it, so you'll speak to them, nothing will happen, and then just as they start answering you, you talk again because you don't think they've heard you, and there's that kind of inconsistencies between what you're saying. But this one, there's none of that. It's the sound quality is good. Crystal thought I was just talking on my phone. She didn't know that I was speaking through a speaker at all, which is a really good indication. And also there was no lag, there was no, there was no latency of any kind, so yeah, very, very good. Honestly, the sound quality of this little thing is insane. Like, it's so much louder than you'd think it could be, and when you turn it up to full blast, there is no problems with the sound quality. It doesn't start to distort, or you sometimes get that horrible, you're trying to pump too much sound through something too small. None of that. I really, really like this. Very, very good bit of kit. Okay, for such a little thing, the amount of power that comes out of this and the sound quality is absolutely incredible. I'm really impressed with this. This is going to be put on my bag now, and I will have this with me wherever I go for all sorts of. It works really well for music. It works really well for audiobooks. It's really, really nice all-round sound. Highly recommend. And there'll be links to all of this in the description. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.